All right, so today's mission is gonna be a couple of core meets. Should be fun. Gonna be meeting up with the homie Miguel, and then two more other guys rolling up, just kicking it for a couple hours, and then after that we're gonna try to make it to another core meet that some guys hosting that we've known for quite a bit from Honda Society. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully everything goes well, and yeah, let's check out some clean Accords. So a couple of the dudes showed up.
Get my good side. Go get my good side.
So what's your pick? Coupe, sedan, or wagon? It's about coupes, huh? It's all about coupes. Take a couple pics, and then from there we're gonna bounce. Hopefully we got a decent spot. All right, so we made it here. Jackie, no major damage, I guess. This thing fell off on the way, kind of scratched it a little bit, but overall we're good. Kind of stoked that we made it, no problem, other than that little hiccup. But yeah, I mean, gorgeous day. I hope it doesn't rain because I took out the wipers to paint them and I forgot to put them back on, so we'll see how that goes. The homie Adam, he just got his grilled dip from some dude that also drives an Accord wagon up in Arizona. Cactus something. This fool was trying to sell this coupe so he can pick up a wagon, but now he's switched plans, so it's pretty crazy. Then the homie Mauricio, actually I met this guy probably like a month ago here at the same park. I just saw him, he parked his wagon and like a bug, you know, and right away I was like, hey man, what's up, you know, nice wagon. Just keeps it super clean. He's gonna do an H swap, manual swap. I mean, he already did 5 lug. He's had the wagon for about 3 months, man, so this guy moves way faster than I. And then homie Miguel made it. Look at that fender though, with some caps, so good. And we met up with Juan. Nice CD5. I remember when I was this low, riding on 205 wheels, 205 tires. Yeah, a little too much for me now. Tired of cracking wheels. Huh? And then the dudes from Royal Accords came through. Man, it's cool that they have so many different gens. A lot of different gens. I've never been a fan of these wheels, but they look good. They fit in there nicely. I know Corwins has had like 20 of them, so I think he killed it for me. Now this one, I love those wheels. I don't think I've ever seen them that wide. Badass though. Maybe considering one of these ones for my daily. I say that for every car though. But yeah, this is really cool. I really like those wheels, the way it sits. This guy's saving parking for one of his buddies, but man, I don't know if I'll do this to a new car. It's rough, you know, but it looks nice. It looks nice. It's cool. Nice 7th gen. This guy used to have a CD5 a while back. Got stay ref and he kind of got tired of it, so he just picked up a new Accord, and man, he's running very meaty tires. I think he's tired of the form life. He wants just one function. And then these Accords, man, they're super nice. Man, this guy redo the whole interior. Oh my god. Wow. And manual. Sweet. Props, man. Sits so nicely. If I'm not mistaken, that's the one that S2K Mikey or something like that. He posted, he's like, I won an Accord that year. It's clean sedan. It's looking good. A Toyota Supra. Oh, nice. Really nice. Bags. Some more Royal Accords. The other gens. Would have been cool if they would have put them in like in the same gen. Like all the 5th, 6th gens. It was pretty cool interior. Can't stand leather anymore though. I'm done with leather. It's too hot. It's too hot.
I have an SIR. I want to do the S.
This one's like the ultimate sleeper. Like you wouldn't know unless you know. Look at this big old brakes. Super just smooth.
And it's like, oh yeah,
Super clean. TSX. This chick I follow on Instagram. She's cool. She'll be posting a whole bunch of cool stuff. Nice. Excuse me. What? Dudes. I think they came from the IE. It's cool.
I have one another treatment for you. I woke up this morning and put the stop following.
It's cool. I think if he was to go a little lower, it would look nicer. But yeah, it's looking good. Man, I love CVs, man. It's just a nice little boxy look. It's awesome. Look at this. It's awesome. Yeah, clean. No biggie. M3. This is cool. Look at this one. Look. It's nice. That's what happens though. You know. But if you go this side, you don't see anything. So it doesn't exist. That's cool. Props to the owner. I don't see myself. I would have the balls to bag a brand new Accord, let alone get a brand new Accord. So then there's that, right? This is cool, man. The CG, my brother was upset he couldn't get his car on time, but should have brought it. But he's actually the one who always motivates me to bring my car when I didn't feel like it. Now he's being a biatch. So the owner swapped everything from his old Crash S2000 to this 5th gen Accord. He said he was just looking for a platform to add everything to, and he found this one on OfferUp and went and picked it up, and the rest is history, man. He's just putting work. This is so cool. Yeah, I told him I was gonna hit him up later on for an interview. Super chill guy. Any question he has, he answers it. It's awesome.
I think like another month and a half. The homie has to get rid of the GSR this month, so I'm gonna pick it up regardless.
So yeah, pretty much everything under the whole body is S2000. Just a shell. Outside looks like an Accord, but everything else is 2000. This is insane. Man, the guy knows his stuff. It's cool. It's badass. Another boosted H. Cool. Little pearl on the paint. Somewhat gutted. Wonder how loud this thing is on the freeway. I like the contrast between the clear tail lights and the red. Cool. There's a little detail on the hood. That's cool. Reminds me of the lowriders. It's cool. Dig it. That Accord with the SI wheels. Nice. This guy's back from Atlanta. He took his car probably like a year or 2 years. Yeah, he just brought it back. He's chilling. Got air cups. Yeah, one of the biggest motivations for sure. Chill dude. Yeah. Awesome wheels. They're by 10 or 10 and a half or 11s. I don't know. Insane specs. Yeah. Glad to see him this side of town again. Atlanta is not for him. I know. It's all about Cali. All right, so we made it to our second location, which is Cafe 86. They have meets for 86s and just different cars. Corwin right there. He invited us to come and hang out. It's a couple courts, and so we'll see how it goes. Obviously the same crew made it out. Did with the S2000, made it out here, and then these guys came through from some part in the south. In San Diego or something. Stupid clean though. Super clean. Just simple, man. If I was to pick one up, which I don't even know if I would pick up a CB. There's so many cars I want. But yeah, that's pretty much how I would do. Just keep it simple. I guess now I know a little bit more than before. Before I was trying to do too much, and on top of that the budget wasn't there. But yeah, this is a really quick sample of just simple OEM, nothing crazy. This grown ass dude just walking around, sitting, talking.
What's up, girl?
What's up, baby girl? That was fucking annoying. He always wants attention. This is Corwin's car, that one that hosted the meet. Pretty good looking car. Just got it. I think somebody stole his other car, and they ended up crashing it, and so he got cashed out. And yeah, got this one. Pretty cool. And there are a couple. It's Frankie's. I like the subtleness of this one. Just simple. It's cool. Big brake kit. Nothing crazy. This is homie DJ. Back in the day, he had a CD6. Got rear-ended, and then he ended up picking up an Odyssey. Oh, nice little seat upgrade. It's looking good. So he got the Odyssey. He did bags and H and all that good stuff, and kind of got tired of it, so I ended up parting it out, and that's it. And then the same crew from Royal Courts came this way. They have a nice little mixture of 8th, 9th. They don't have that many 5th or 4th gens. Very cool though. So that's it. That core meet in the morning was cool. Nice meeting different people. Seeing old faces, and the second meet at Cafe 86 was cool. I'm one of those people that gets bored fairly easy. So cruising back to OC, and yeah, no major hiccups. I just had to pull over, take off the wheel, I think tighten up my axle nut. I kind of felt the car kind of a little wobbly on the right side, but I don't know. That's just kind of how she is. But yeah, other than that, I appreciate you guys for watching, and I try to get every single car in the video. If I didn't get yours, don't take it personal, man. Just maybe I didn't walk around a second time, and you know, whatever. So, all right, till next time.